Good morning, Standard 4. How are you, children? I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Bulbul Sen Gupta. So, children, welcome to my class. So, children, today I am going to start with value based question. Value based question. So, I am going to start every day. I am writing a story. Every day, Rohan goes to play in a nearby park at 4:15 p.m. He plays for 1 hour 30 minutes. One day he saw a child badly hurt while playing on the slide. He took him to the doctor. He took him to the doctor. Rohan then dropped the child at his home. The child's parents were thankful to him. Due to this, thankful to him for his timely help. Due to this, he was late and reached home at 6:15 p.m. He told his parents about the incident. And they were proud of him. So this is the story of Rohan. Every day Rohan goes to play in a nearby park at 4:15 p.m. He plays for 1 hour 30 minutes. One day he saw a child badly hurt while playing on the slide. He took him to the doctor. Rohan then dropped the child at his home. The child's parents were thankful to him for his timely help. Due to this, he was late and reached home at 6:15 p.m. So he told his parents about the incident and they were proud of him. Now here, children, there is a question for you. The question is, question number 1. Question number 1 is, what time, at what time normally does Rohan come back from the park after playing? So children, he went to the park at the time of going to the park. Time of going to the park is, he went there at 4:15 p.m. Okay. So duration of staying there, duration of playing in the park is equal to 1 hour and 30 minutes. So question is that at what time he used to go to the park at 4:15 p.m. and he used to play for 1 hour 30 minutes. So normally he come back. When does he come back? So normally he comes back at, so what we will do, we have to add 4:15 p.m. will be added with 1 hour 30 minutes, right? So here we will make the column hour and minute. Then 4:15, it means 4 hours for 15 minutes and 1 hour 30 minutes will be added. So here after addition, what we will get? So 5 plus 0, 5, 3 plus 1, 4, 45 minutes and 4 plus 1, 5 hours, 45 minutes. So when did he come back? He returns back at 5:45 p.m. So this is the time when he returned back. Now come to the next question. Question number B. So in B, question is by how much? By how much? By how much minutes? By how much minutes did Rohan reach late at home? So usually he used to return at 5:45 p.m. but he was at that particular day he was late because he had taken that injured child to the hospital. Then he dropped that child to the child's house and then he returned back. So it takes some time. So when what was the when he on the particular day he returned, on the particular day of the incident he returned home at, when did he return? He returned home at 6:15 p.m. Okay, usually he used to return home at 5:45 p.m. So how many minutes he normally he returns? Normally he returns at 5:45 p.m. So he is late, slightly late. So the how many minutes he is late? So he is late for how many minutes? So we will subtract 6:15 p.m. will be subtracted with the 5:45 p.m. Correct? Now we will do the subtraction here. So we will write these numbers in a column. So it is 6 hours 15 minutes and 5 hours 45 minutes. So here 15 minus, we will do subtraction. This is hour and this is minute. So we will borrow 1 hour from this 6 hour, it will become 5 and 15 will become 60 plus 15. we add it, it will become 75. Here 60 plus 15. Okay, now we will do subtraction. 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 4 3. It is 30 minutes and 5 minus 5 0. So he returned late by 30 minutes. Okay. Now come to the third question. In what ways can you offer help to an injured person? So third question is, in what ways you will offer help? So in what ways? Third question is, in what ways? In what ways can you offer help to an injured person? So yeah, it is your opinion. You have to write down, children. So this is your C work. So your C work is, you have to do value based questions. Okay, this is your C work. Now come to the next topic, brain teaser, unit number 8. So tick the correct answer. So you have to, there are 4 options are there. You have to choose the correct answer for each question. So question is, 3 hours 33 minutes is equal to how many minutes? So options are 333, second option 213, third option 180, fourth option 210. So let us firstly find out 3 hours. Convert these 3 hours into minutes. 3 into 60, that is 180. Now add it with the 33, right? So after adding it, you added 0 plus 3, 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So it is 213. So correct option is second one. Correct? Now come to the next question. Next is B. Today is Monday. Right? After 61 days. After 61 days, it will be dash what? Wednesday. B. Saturday. C. Tuesday. D. Thursday. Now children, listen. Each day of the week is repeated after 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. So each day is repeated after 7 days. Right? So here after 63 days, that is Monday, after 53 days, 63 days, it will be Monday. After 63 days. After 63 days, it will be Monday. Correct? So we have to find out after 61 days. So which day it will be? So minus we will minus 3 days from the Monday, that is Sunday, then Saturday, and Sunday, Saturday it will be, and then you have to subtract 63 and we have to find out 61 days. 61 days, it means we will subtract 2 days. So we subtract 2 days from Monday, it will be Sunday, and then it's Saturdays. So after 61 days, the Saturday will be the correct answer. Because if today is Monday, it will come again after on the 8th day. Right? So after 63 days, Monday will come. Correct? So when the 61 days, which day will come? It is the Saturday. Okay? Now come to the next question. Next question is, which of the following of the following month has 30 days? Options are July, second option December, third option October, and fourth option April. So as we all know that July is having 31 days, December is also having 31 days, October is having 31 days. Here April, it has the 30 days. So April is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Question number D. So in question number D, a train leaves Delhi at 12:05 p.m. At what time will it reach Agra? The journey takes 3 hours 42 minutes. So options are A 1:37 p.m. first option, second option 1:47 p.m. third option 3:47 p.m. fourth option 4:37 p.m. So you have to find out the train starts at 12:05 p.m. and the journey takes 3 hours 42 minutes. We will add it. So 12 hours 5 minutes and we will add 3:42. So we will add it. So 5 plus 2 7, 0 plus 4 4, 3 plus 2 5 and it is 1. It is 15 hours 47 minutes. It means it is 3:47 p.m. So correct option is third. Now come to the E. Come to E. Come to E. E is the number of days, the number of days in 2 non-leap year is equal to what? Options are 720, second option 732, third option 722, fourth option 730. So as we all know that non-leap year is having 365 days. So 2 non-leap year, 365 plus 365. Add it, 5 plus 5, 0, 6 plus 6, 12, 1, 13, 3 plus 3, 6 and 1. So it is 730. So correct option is 730 days. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2. So in question number 2 is the year in which India became republic or leap year? So you have to find out. So when did India become republic? So Republic Day is, we celebrate Republic Day. Republic when it gets. So it is 1950. Right? So in this year India became republic. So in 1950, whether you have to see whether it is this year is leap year or not. So divide this 1950 by 4. Right? So we start 4 4 ja 16. 19 minus 16 is 3. Now put down 5. 4 8 ja 32. So it is 5 minus 2 is 3. Now we put down 0. Now 4 7s are 28. So minus here 2. So here the remainder is equal to 2. It means that 1950 is not divisible by 4. So 1950 is not divisible by 4. So 1950 is not a leap year. Got it? Now come to question number 3. So in question number 3 is if 4th of February is a Sunday, then what day is 25th of February? What day is 25th of February? So you have to find out. So on 25th of February, what day it will be? If 4th February is a Sunday, so it is Sunday on 4th. Okay. Now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, see 25. So 25 is a Sunday. So answer is Sunday. Correct, children? Now here, children, your homework is you have to do question number 1, 2, 3 of brain teaser. So your H work is brain teaser question number 1, 2 and 3. So children, hope each and every portion I have discussed. But if you have any kind of problem, you may contact me in the WhatsApp number. So again I am giving you your C work is value based question. Value based questions. Right? So enjoy your holidays, but don't forget to do your assignments and post it in my WhatsApp number. So till then, goodbye, bye bye.